Welcome everyone to this brand new video, and in this video I'll be showing you how to download the Doraemon 3 mobile into any of your iOS or Android mobile devices for free, and it is pretty simple, quick, and easy to download. And the best part about this game is that it is downloadable and compatible with both Android and iOS devices, which means it doesn't matter whichever device you're using. And don't panic if you're seeing me using an iPhone in this video, it's just that I'm using an iPhone. If I had an Android device I would have used that. Although I have it, I don't mean that I don't have it. It's quite embarrassing, I know. You know, I have it, but I'm still using an iPhone. It's my choice, and it is your choice as well, whichever one you want to use or whichever one you want to download on, because the steps are exactly the same and they're executed in the exact same way as well. There is no difference at all, apart from one step where Android users have to skip, and for that I'm here to tell you when and where to do so. Other than that, the steps are exactly the same and they're executed in the exact same way, which makes this downloading process and the best, and on top of that, this video the best to watch as well, because in this video I'll be showing you how to download the Doraemon 3 mobile into any of your iOS or Android mobile devices pretty simply, quickly, and easily. And because this game Doraemon 3 mobile is already downloadable and compatible with both Android and iOS devices, you don't have to worry about its compatibility. It is compatible, and all you have to worry about is following the steps correctly and strictly, although they're pretty simple as well. You just have to make sure that you follow them correctly and strictly, because if you don't, you won't be able to get this game downloaded, and then you will be complaining about the malfunctioning of the step. However, the steps will never malfunction. They're absolutely correct and working. All you have to do is ensure that you properly follow them, and you'll be able to get this game Doraemon 3 mobile downloaded into any of your iOS or Android mobile devices pretty simply, quickly, and easily. And in this video, I'll be going through the steps together with you guys, because I'll be deleting this game momentarily. Not momentarily, like in the middle of this video, I'll be deleting this game from my phone, and then I'll download it again in my phone by the end of this video to make the steps much more clearer. I would say easier for you guys to understand, so that you can execute it quickly, efficiently, and more, I would say, in a streamlined manner when you're doing it individually as well. So you can see that this game is running pretty smoothly on my phone. Like it does not lag, which shows that the development of this game is insane and pretty, I would say, brilliantly developed. This game has been brilliantly developed, although the speed also varies and the lagging factor also varies with the type of phone you're running the game on. And that is true, but it also varies with how the game has been developed. Now, my phone is good, which means the game won't lag, but it's not the only thing that means that your game won't lag. If your phone is good and your game, whichever one you're playing, is not developed correctly, definitely will have lagging issues. But look at that, it is not lagging at all. And look at this guy, he's running and shining blue. Shining yellow, I mean. I just like the word shining blue. That's it. And look at that. Look at that, he's running like a mad person in the streets because I'm making him run, because I'm the guy who's controlling him, and he has nothing to do about it. He can't do anything about it. That's all he needs. I'm probably looking for a house, which I cannot find here. But forget about that. The game runs pretty smoothly. The colors, the detailings, the graphics are insane, and this is the Doraemon 3 mobile version, which is downloadable and compatible with both Android and iOS devices. And what I'll be doing over here is that I'll simply close this game and delete it from my phone as promised before, so that we can go through the steps together. And it is the game icon is underneath the wallet icon. It's the Doraemon 3 mobile version, in which you can see the face of Doraemon, I guess, crying, annoyed, and irritated, or frightened, I believe. Yes. So I'm just gonna get it deleted from my phone, and there you go. Boom. Now, first things first, you have to locate and open the settings of your phone, which is pretty simple, quick and easy. There you go. And first things first, and now this is step number 1, which is only for iOS devices. This is where Android users have to skip. You have to go to your general settings, background app refresh, and make sure it is on Wi-Fi and cellular data and on nothing else. Now, this is step number 1, which is only for iOS devices, and this is exactly where Android users skip to step number 2, which is for both Android and iOS devices. And in step number 2, what you have to do is go down to your battery settings and make sure that the low power mod on your iOS devices and your power saving or battery saving mods on your Android devices have been turned off. If they're on, turn them off, because this is mandatory. So these are the 2 steps in your settings. Step number 1 is only for iOS devices, and step 2 is for both Android and iOS devices. After that, simply close and exit your settings and hit open the browser, whichever one you're using. In my case, it's a Safari. And in the search engine bar of that particular browser, type in appsky.club pretty clearly and correctly. And once you've typed that in, click search, and a list of modded games and apps will appear right in front of you. This way, the way they'll be appearing for me, and this way, yes. And this list contains a lot of crazy things, a countless number of modded and normal versions of different apps and games for free, along with their compatibilities and respective ratings. And if you can't find anything in this list, go back on top to the search bar, and you will find it in the search bar. But there you go, I just found it. It says mobile version, Android plus iOS. So just click on the download now button to start all the downloading processes simultaneously, and it will start all the necessary processes simultaneously at the same time. And we call this, or you can say it's usually called as the injection process. And the injection process may take up to a few seconds. However, in most cases it will take a few seconds. In some cases it may take up to like a minute or two. It varies with your internet connection speed, and there's no need for jailbreaking or rooting over here. It's as simple and straightforward as I'm showing you it is. And just for the injection process to be completed, hang in there, and once it's completed, you will be asked to complete this one last easy step where you have to complete 2 offers from the list below and follow the instructions to complete the injection process. Now I'm being offered a wide range of offers over here, out of which I have to complete 2, and definitely I'll be completing 2 easy follow the offers. And my first one is going to be, it is going to be the Zynga Poker. I have to install it and run it for 30 seconds to sort of like, to download my game. So it is downloadable and it is downloaded from off the official app store or the Play Store in case you're using an Android device, so they're 100% safe to use. All these apps. And they've instructed me to run it for 30 seconds. I will run it for 40 to 50 seconds to be on the safe side, and would recommend you guys to do the same as well. However, you might not notice it over here because the video has been fast forwarded to make it short. Just make sure it runs for 45 to 50 seconds or 40 to 50 seconds, although the specified time is 30 seconds. Now there you go, just close it, and my offer number 1 has been completed. And my offer number 2 is also going to be another easy one, which will be, let me look, it is going to be the Norton Secure Review. I have to install it and run it for 30 seconds again, but I will run it for 40 to 50 seconds to be on the safe side again, as done previously, and would recommend you guys to do the same as well. However, once your game has been downloaded, you may delete these extra apps to optimize your storage if you have storage issues, because they are only downloaded just for the sake of the completion of the injection process and may be deleted later afterwards when the game has been downloaded. And once you've completed both your offers, simply close everything and return to your home page in your Doraemon 3 Mobile will have been downloaded just the way in these few simple steps, like it has been downloaded over here for me. So I hope you liked the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, give this video a big thumbs up, share this video, and I'll see you next time in another cool video with another cool game or a modded version or an app. Until then, enjoy Doraemon 3 and see you later.